Health officials are taking urgent action to curb the spread of COVID-19 in communities most at risk following the island's 29th COVID-19 case. The Aux Lyons community was among those listed in danger of possible exposure to the virus. An outreach exercise was organized for Thursday, October 15th and Friday, October 16th.
In response to the diagnosis of the 29th COVID case in St. Lucia, which happened this past weekend, it was imperative that the ministry took immediate action and focused on communities of concern. And as a result of that, a public health team was put together to do a number of interventions simultaneously. So amongst that would have been inviting persons who deem themselves to be at risk in terms of this case and the wider community to come forward for testing.
The activity endeavors to educate residents on measures to keep themselves and families safe from the virus.
We also use this as an opportunity to reinforce the prevention and control measures to reduce risk of being exposed to COVID. So that include doing health education on mask use, distribution of the mask, as well as importance of hand washing and other infection control measures.
Director of the Bureau of Health Education, Natasha Floyd-Felix, says the Health Ministry went straight to the communities to make information and interventions more easily available to the population.
We know sometimes it's difficult for persons to access services within our wellness centers. It's sometimes inconvenient as well. So by us going into those communities, we brought the services directly to the community. This was made possible with the help of the community leaders, the gatekeepers, who really were important in the mobilization effort. And by doing that, I'm certain that the numbers we were able to reach widened significantly because they were able to intervene on the behalf of the Ministry of Health, appeal to those gate leaders, who then in turn worked with the residents and were able to get them to come in so that they could access the testing and be provided with some education to keep them safer and to keep their communities healthier and prevent the potential spread of COVID-19 within communities.
The Health Ministry is yet to determine the source of the island's 29th COVID-19 case. Furthermore, authorities are also testing close contacts of the 30th and 31st cases. Speculation is rife that the new cases may have been transmitted via illegal entrance. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.